I was like, you know what? I am just gonna teach myself and trial and error throughout the whole thing. I'm gonna figure it out. And honestly, the first time I showed, it was literally like a smash. Like, I guess some of us just, like when you go for it, you just go for it. Never be scared to sell your product yourself. Mm-hmm. Never be scared to sell something you created. You better sell it.
Right.
You better put it on. You better wear it. You better show it. You better talk about it. You better sell it first and foremost. One of the most important things is you definitely want to be like patient. Mm-hmm. That's hard because it's like you want it to soar, but it literally can take years. I think one of the keys to having good hair is being able to do it yourself. Like I literally like do my own hair. So yeah, like you can't go to the hairdresser every other day. Follow all of your dreams, every last single one of them. I don't care if you want to be the next hotel building creator. I don't care if you want to design crayons. I don't care what it is, just follow your dreams.